Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It is the 3rd of March and it's about 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the markets have done a great job this morning kind of holding that move up into the 112.60 area that we talked about this morning. So yesterday you can see pre and post market data, 112.60 remaining resistance here with a couple of tests of that, but without market confirmation, so something to watch out for. Broad market internals did not corroborate that breakout. So kind of came back after that to support, and we used that as support levels for pre-market action this morning. Good resistance at the yesterday's 1260 area again, and you can see intraday, and if I go to a smaller time frame, how relevant 112.60 was right through here, and then even a little bit higher. So 112.70, nice ascending triangle right through this area, good breakout. But we already talked about the 113 mark, and the highs of today were 112.96, 112.97. Yep, so that was right into the 113 mark. Even had a line drop in here to be careful of. One nice thing we can do is remove pre- and post-market data and then also look at the trend. All day long we've spent a good bit of time in a bullish zone for the trend, and the trend Q also corroborating that move to the upside. So at least we've had those in our camp, and the volatility index, the VIX, has also even bled out a little bit. So it's really nice to see that below 1850 for the first time in a long time. Looking at a higher time frame, that is just fantastic. So all three broad market internals that I like to look at a lot are confirming that move to the upside. We're now selling off a little bit again, right back to a level of support at this 112.70 now. That's a perfect line through here, and 112.60 will still remain some bit of support as well. So a couple of great price points. Excellent to see us stall out at the round number of 113 like we talked about. Above that, I have to scrunch the chart up, and we have a secondary level of 113.50 that will be important, that I would want to pay attention to, and then 114. So these round numbers, half round numbers, it's good stuff. So I like to strip the pre and post market data, see this gap fill, and move higher on market internal confirmation. So good stuff, everybody. That's what we see in the broad markets right now. You can use that as a filter by which to gauge other stocks. Layer on top of that all the market internal information we have, and that's pretty powerful going forward. Not to sound like a broken record, but we do have a market internal seminar coming up tomorrow night at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be 3 hours long, and that's going to take apart all the ideas about how and when and where and why not to go long or short a stock without those. And it's awesome. Great way to start stacking the odds in your favor of trades going in the direction you pick. So I like that quote. Anyway, if you want to be part of that, you can email Mike Williams at freetradingvideos.com, and here's the email for that. And I hope you have a great rest of the trading day, and I'll talk to you soon.